Yo, what's going on, guys? Mo here on Mo's Daily Life. Assalamu alaikum, alhamdulillah. How are all my friends doing today? Hope you guys are doing well, and welcome to another reaction video. So in today's reaction video, I'm going to be reacting to Angry Grandpa, the old savage himself. Yes, sir. But before we begin to today's video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support you're showing me. And also, please go to the last video, smack the like button, and comment below which content you want to see next, challenges or vlogging. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. You know the rules, you know the scheduling. Yes, sir. Anyways, guys, less talking, more action. Peace. I'll see you when I'm in the computer. Alright, guys, so right now we are on YouTube, and now I'm going to be reacting to Angry Grandpa.
What's up?
What?
What are you doing?
Taking out trash.
What is this? You having a tea party or something?
Yeah, that's your double. That's your twin.
What is that, Mr. Gorilla? Is he waiting on his tea?
Why don't you shut up?
Oh! What's the deal? What are you doing right now?
I'm cleaning up. I gotta cut my grass.
Oh! Holy!
Michael's reaction.
Do me a favor, Mike.
Hold on, dude.
Do me a favor.
What?
I'm up in taking trash while I cut grass.
Oh, that stinks so bad. What'd you say?
I asked you to pick up the trash so I can cut grass. Damn, my shoulder. So, bitch. Fucking lawnmower.
Here, hold the camera.
Shit. Oh, you think you're master mechanic?
The problem is, you're not strong enough to pull the thing.
You're right.
Watch.
Oh, keep talking, Mr. Big.
Ah!
Gotcha, huh? Good. Da. Motherfucker's out of gas. Son of a goddamn.
Nothing?
Boom. Bone dry. Damn son of a bitch. I gotta go to the goddamn gas station. Son of a motherfucking gas. I gotta check my mail on the way. Why'd you come with me?
Because I want to film you getting gas. Whoa! Dude!
What's wrong with you?
You're pumping gas!
I don't care. Don't touch my goddamn. I'll pour this Western on you. It don't take much to cut my grass. Boom.
Okay, let me get it.
I got it.
Dad, this is nuts.
Cheesy poop?
I didn't even know you like cheesy puffs anymore.
I don't. I ain't had none in a while though. I just suck on them. I suck on my cheesy poops. They are so tender and sweet. It's got a cheesy flavor. Okay.
I don't even know why I'm laughing. Like, this guy's just too funny for real.
Like I told you, pick told you clean the yard. Where the hell is it?
What are you looking for? Whoa!
Ain't nobody gonna cut this motherfucker.
Oh, don't! No, I'm not letting you do that.
I'm gonna back the fuck off.
I'm not letting you do this. Oh, I'm really afraid this thing's gonna break or blow up. Oh, Jesus.
That felt good. That felt fucking good. Now nobody's cut.
What is that, WWE? He takes the rock and he throws in the lawnmower. Like WWE type shit.
Yeah, now literally nobody's cutting your grass.
You should have helped me when I asked you. Nah, not you. You should have.
Yeah, now literally nobody's cutting your grass.
You should have helped me when I asked you. Nah, not you.
What the fuck?
Not you. You wouldn't have your old man do nothing, would you?
I will help.
How you gonna cut the motherfucker down? Now I'm through.
Can we fix this?
No, it can't be fixed.
I think it could be.
Can it? How you gonna fix it, huh? Fuck it.
Stop that. It's
No!
enough. It's enough.
I want to fix it. Good lawnmower. Now I'm done. Where's my goddamn wire?
You cut it.
Oh, he wants to like, first he's done and now he wants to fix the shit. Stupid. But funny though, I tell you that. He's mad funny. He's really funny.
I gotta fix the goddamn thing, man.
You're trying to fix it now?
What the fuck happened here? God damn it! Goddamn.
You good?
Get out of here!
Come on, dude. What did I do?
Get out of my way! I'll hit you to something if you don't get out of my goddamn way.
What the hell is wrong with you?
This motherfucker.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sonia. I've been using TubeBuddy for the last 2 years.
Hold on, let me check out the let's see, kitchen meltdown.
Oh, you don't want to live in yours? I'm gonna put it in there.
No, do it. This is your pumpkin pie.
This is my family recipe. Then you gotta take your lemon juice. That'll be enough.
That's like
That's like way too much.
you stumped your toe on the freaking lemon, dude.
Can I ask what you bought Domino sugar for?
What's wrong with that?
Because you're supposed to use brown sugar.
You don't use regular sugar?
No, use brown sugar.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Dad. Please accept my apologies. This is like,
That,
just saying that it's gonna be extra sweet.
You gotta have it sweet.
it's not that sweet.
Well, you ain't got anything to do, you bitch. You complain about everything, don't you?
What are you looking for?
The vanilla. If you're gonna have a goddamn pie, you gotta have vanilla.
Let's make it without it.
You went to the goddamn store for me.
You told me you didn't say vanilla.
Michael, you dumb.
Chill out a little bit, dude.
Did you need to put vinegar?
Just don't use vanilla.
You gotta have goddamn vanilla. Without vanilla, you got no pie.
Dude, chill out. Okay, I'll go get the vanilla, dude. That's not that big of a deal. You act like it's the end of the world. Okay, you gotta just relax a little. Dad! Oh my god! Stop!
Yeah!
Why are you doing this?
I told you.
Stop!
Got to have the vanilla.
Stop! Okay, what do you want to do? You want me to call the cops?
I will bring you. You go ahead, dude.
I will call the cops. You bring one more plate.
Do it.
Charles, I need you to do something about this.
Do it.
What did he say?
Okay, what do you want to do? You want me to call the cops?
I will bring you. You go ahead, dude.
I will call the cops. You bring one more plate.
Do it.
Yo, this man is a savage.
Charles, I need you to do something about this.
Man, I'm staying out of it, man. This is messed up.
Over vanilla! Are you shitting me? Oh my god!
Where'd that come from?
It was right there with the coffee pot!
Wait, is that vanilla or...
Okay. Anyway, you take the vanilla.
What? I'm not filming another second of it!
We are doing a video about the pie. Anyway, you take the vanilla. You put it inside. Pour it. I like vanilla. I like using vanilla. And when this thing cooks, you're gonna love it.
You don't even care!
You gonna wear this pie?
Destroyed.
You destroyed the kitchen, you don't care about nothing!
You're about to get it. You better back off. Back off.
For what? Look what you did it for!
Back off! Are we out of pie business today?
We're already at the pie business! You broke the plates! You ruined that stuff! I'm sick of this! Come on, stop! Jesus Christ. What? Throw the pie and I'm gonna call the police!
Challenge accepted.
I'm out! I'm out of here now! I'm sick of it!
Oh, shit.
Don't you do anything stupid! I swear to God I'll call the cops! Dad, I swear to God, stop! Charles, help!
I dare you. I dare you. You look back your ass off.
What is Charlie gonna do?
I don't get it.
Get that.
Oh.
You want some?
Come on, dude, just come on, come with me.
Man, stop! Get out of here! You can't get out of my house.
Damn it.
Now I ain't got no fucking pie with Thanksgiving.
You good?
You gotta repaint all this house. Look at those fucking.
You just bitter and ridiculous! Enjoy cleaning up your plates!
Get out!
I'm going, you better back up away from me. What are we gonna do?
When you advertise with Google,
Okay, let me now react to, let's see, swimming pool.
Are you gonna help
Why
me?
do you need this many bags? That's the
Because
question.
I cook out a lot now.
You freaking cook way too much.
You made me unload all these by my damn
No,
self.
I help with one bag so
No,
far.
you help me with nothing.
Okay, whatever, Dad.
Man.
Here, I'll get it. Here, take the
No,
camera.
get out of the way now.
I'll just take the camera. Whatever, dude.
You wonder why nobody wants to help you.
No one ever will help.
So just tell me why you need this many bags for.
So I.
Summer's almost over. Cooking out's over.
Yeah, hey, cooking out ain't over. Cooking over, man.
Whatever,
shit.
dude.
Cooking out ain't never over. Hey, you just kind of watch me guide me back, all right?
I'm trying.
Are you watching me?
Yes, I'm watching. Oh, you're getting a little too close.
Are you watching me?
Yes, I'm watching. Oh, you're getting a little too close. Dad! Oh my God! Drive forward! Go forward! Drive forward, you idiot!
What? What's wrong? Oh, goddamn!
Oh my God.
Why didn't you back me up?
He freaking backed up all.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Why didn't you back me up?
I was trying to.
Son of a motherfucking bitch.
Yeah, blame everybody else but yourself. That's what you do. That's the only thing you do.
Then watch me.
Okay, yeah, come on then. I'm not gonna. You better fuck.
Come on.
Dude, don't. Oh, God, what are you doing?
No.
Oh my God.
Come on.
Take that motherfucker.
Put it down. Dad, stop.
Stop because you didn't back me up.
Dude.
There goes your water bill.
Yeah. Stop! No! God! Idiot! What do we do?
I gotta try to plug that hole.
How are you gonna plug it? Tell me how you plug. No! You idiot!
Right. That's how you plug the hole.
You know this was $7,000!
Didn't cost me a dime.
You're so ungrateful.
$7,000 for a motherfucking pool? That is fucking crazy. $7,000 wasted. Just wasted. Ah, dumb fucks today.
You ain't got nothing to
You
do
are
with it.
so ungrateful.
Give him a bathtub.
Michael.
That's $7,000.
What's the matter now?
You caused it.
You're gonna have to get your van out of here.
If you'd have backed me up, that wouldn't have happened.
Bridget. Start making calls. You're getting your license taken from you. This
You
is
are
it.
not getting none of them. I'm getting out of here.
Right.
Oh yeah, that's happening.
What do we do here?
Michael, get out the way. I don't know what he's doing.
Do it.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. So if you guys like the video, please smack the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss a daily upload. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm out. Peace. See you in another video.
Today I want you to consider your life and its effect on other people, the way you've touched individuals. If you were to die today, how would they remember?